Indonesian shipbuilder Part PAL is scheduled to conduct a keel laying ceremony for the new 124-meter landing platform dock for the Philippine Navy Monday, January 22, 2024, according to Indonesian sources. So far, the Philippine Navy has not announced a name, but it will probably be named after a Philippine province based on the 2016 Philippine Navy naming and classification standards. Indonesia's flagship shipbuilder Part PAL Persero released a video regarding the latest developments of what will be the landing acquisition project on the new 124 MLPD for the Philippine Navy, which is expected to be delivered to the Philippine Navy starting in 2025. The construction of the current 124-meter long and 21.8-beam Philippine landing dock ships, this upgraded variant of the Tarlac-class landing platform docks, will help increase the number of amphibious naval assets for the Philippine Navy of this type to at least four units. Another highlight was President Joko Widodo's visit to the Department of National Defense to meet Minister of State Gilbert Teodoro. It was noted during his visit that they sold anti-submarine aircraft such as the CN-235-200 MPA made by PT Dirgantara Indonesia to the Philippine Navy. As the national shipping industry, Part PAL Indonesia has for the second time taken an important role in security in the ASEAN region. This was marked by the laying of the first keel on the construction of the first landing dock ship, as part of the export of 2 warships for the second time to the Philippine Navy. This event also marked the start of the fabrication process for the construction of the Philippine landing dock ship. The event began with a presentation of the progress of the Philippine landing dock ship production process by project head Parnyunto, and continued with the presentation of several of Part PAL Indonesia's most advanced products, namely the 60-meter fast missile boat, hospital ship, and 124-meter landing platform dock presented by SEVP-TM Satrio Bintoro. With the presence of Flag Officer in Command Philippines Navy, FOIC, Vice Admiral Toribio Diadachi, along with other stakeholders, this momentum is increasingly important to improve defense diplomacy between the two countries through the acquisition of defense technology. CEO of Part PAL Indonesia, Kaharudin Janod, views this collaboration as Indonesia's central role as part of ASEAN in reducing geopolitical risks. The cooperation between the two countries is a reflection of Indonesia's contribution in maintaining the security of the ASEAN region so that it becomes a strong, stable and mutually supportive country. The cooperation between the two countries is a reflection of Indonesia's contribution in maintaining the security of the ASEAN region so that it becomes a strong, stable and mutually supportive country. The implementation of the first keel laying, which was carried out in the Merchant Ship Division fabrication workshop, was marked by pressing a button by the CEO of PAL together with the FOIC of the Philippine Navy, as well as the signing of the silhouette of the Philippine Ship Landing Dock, LDP, which was also witnessed by the head of the LDP project, Pangko Armada II or his deputy, and the chairman representatives of the owner of the Philippine Navy, PNOR, and witnessed by the board of directors and SEVP of Part PAL Indonesia. With a total length of 124 meters and a displacement of 7,200 tons, this ship is capable of sailing for up to 30 full days. The Philippine landing dock ship accommodates the needs of the Philippine Department of National Defense, with minimal changes to the ship's platform. Later, the landing dock ship is expected to be able to sail up to Sea State 6. By the end of July, the Philippines' LD progress had reached 20.24%, faster than the planned target. Likewise with the second LD Philippines. We will maintain this positive progress. Carrying 117 blocks in its production stage, the Philippine landing dock ship will have a sister ship which in the near future will also carry out the same stages. The contract for the construction of 2 landing dock warships also shows Indonesia's important position and role in regional stability. The capacity and capability of Part PAL Indonesia as a national shipping industry shows positive movements in the economic sector, one of which is increasing employment opportunities and meeting material equipment needs in the defense ecosystem at the national level in meeting export needs. PT PAL Indonesia's contribution to enhancing the capabilities of the Philippine Navy reflects ongoing transformation, both at the national level and in the ASEAN region, in order to achieve a strong, stable and mutually supportive region to protect each other. As time goes by, the Philippine Navy was able to take delivery of 2 landing platform dock ships ahead of the anticipated schedule,